Hello guys, welcome to Mathematics classes by Nikita. So we were doing the NCERT Exemplar chapter 6, that is linear inequalities, and we have done the questions till question number 13. So let's continue. Now we have more interesting questions ahead. So question number 14, it says that find the linear inequalities for which the shaded region in the given figure is the solution set. तो यहाँ पे आपको एक फिगर दे रखी है और शेडेड रीजन दे रखा है, तो आपको पता लगाना है कि ये जो शेडेड रीजन है ये कौन से सिस्टम ऑफ इनइक्वालिटीज़ को सेटिस्फाई करता है. नाउ इफ़ यू रिमेंबर द कॉन्सेप्ट, then in this case we have the concept of a line dividing a Cartesian plane. See, suppose we have a Cartesian plane, that is r square, and we have a line. So this line divides the plane into two halves. One is the lower half plane and the other one is the upper half plane. So in this case, this part 1 is the lower half plane, that is this one, okay, and the above one, that is this thing, is the upper half plane. So any line divides the plane into two halves, the lower half plane and the upper half plane. So here also you can see that we have two lines. One line is x plus y equal to 20, that means this is your x plus y equal to 20, and this line is your 3x plus 2y equal to 48. Okay, so we have two lines. Now first let us consider the line 3x plus 2y equal to 48. So consider x plus 2y equal to 48. Now if you see this line here, then the lower half plane of this line is this one, okay, so all the points below the line, okay, this is your lower half plane. Now you can see that the shaded region as well as the origin, they both lie on the same side of the line, that is on the lower half plane. So what we have is, we have shaded region and origin both lie on same side of the line 3x plus 2y इक्वल टू 48. सो अब मुझे फिगर में देख के लग रहा है कि जो लोअर हाफ प्लेन है, दैट इज वेयर द शेडेड रीजन एंड ओरिजिन बिलोंग्स. सो वी कंसिडर द लोअर हाफ प्लेन. सो लेट्स कंसिडर 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 48. So for origin, so let's see whether origin lie here. So for 0, 0 we have 3 into 0 plus 2 into 0, which is 0, and 0 is always less than or equal to 48. So this implies what? That origin satisfies this inequality, which is 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 48. बट अगर origin इसको satisfy कर रहा है तो जो shaded region जो आपको फिगर के अंदर given है वो भी इसको satisfy करेगा, ठीक है. So this implies that the shaded region also satisfies (3x plus 2y less than or equal to 48). Mark this as 1. Now when I say that the shaded region satisfies this inequality, it means that if you take any point in this region, then it will satisfy the inequality 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 48. But the converse is not true. That means if you take any point from the lower half plane, that is 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 48, it may not lie on that blue region. Okay, so one way it is true that the shaded region satisfies the inequality 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 48. Now consider the second line. So now we consider the second line, which is your x plus y equal to 20. Now again see the figure. So this line again divides the plane into two half planes. So if we can see the lower half plane, then both origin and the shaded region lie on the same side, that is on the lower side. So here also shaded region and origin both lie on same side of the line. So consider, so I am considering the lower half plane, that is x plus y less than or equal to 20. So let's see whether origin lies here or not. So for 0, 0 what we have is x की जगह 0 पुट कीजिए और y की जगह 0 पुट कीजिए, तो आपके पास क्या आएगा, 0 plus 0 is 0 and 0 is always less than or equal to 20. So this implies what, that 0, 0 satisfies x plus y less than or equal to 20. ठीक है, तो 0, 0 कहाँ लाई कर रहा है, on the lower side of the line, and if 0, 0 is lying there, then the shaded region is also lying there. So shaded region also satisfies x plus y less than or equal to 20. तो अभी तक आपके पास दो इनइक्वालिटीज आ गई हैं, बट अगर हम ये दो इनइक्वालिटीज का इंटरसेक्शन देखें तो आपके पास क्या आएगा, सी एक आपके पास ये आ रहा है, this is, and the second one is giving you this. तो इनका जो कॉमन पार्ट है, the common part is starting from here और ये सारा, this is the common part. बट आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं कि जो ये वाले पॉइंट्स हैं, they are also coming, they are also coming, and we are interested only in the first quadrant, we are interested only in the first quadrant. तो अगर मैं खाली ये दोनों इनइक्वालिटीज लिख दूंगी, that is 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 48 and x plus y less than or equal to 20, so this is not the solution, this is not the solution of this question. So we have to put two more inequalities, which is that x should be greater or equal to 0 and y should be greater or equal to 0. So also shaded region lies in first quadrant. This implies what? That shaded region satisfies x greater or equal to 0 and y greater or equal to 0. So therefore shaded region satisfies, or we can say that shaded region is the solution set of the following inequalities: 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 48, then x plus y less than or equal to 20, then we have x greater or equal to 0 and y greater or equal to 0. So this is your solution to this question. I hope you understood. Next we have question number 15. So question number 15 says, find the linear inequalities for which the shaded region in the given figure is the solution set. तो आपको, आप देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे आपको एक शेडेड रीजन दे रखा है, आपको सेट ऑफ इनइक्वालिटीज़ फाइंड करनी है which are actually, the shaded region is basically the solution set of those inequalities. Now you can see that this shaded region is formed by the inequalities of four lines. One is this, one is this, one is this, and one is this. And whenever we consider a line in a plane, it divides the Cartesian plane into two halves, the lower half and the upper half. So we will select each line one by one. Okay, so question number 15. So first let us consider the line. Consider the line x plus y equal to 8. Now you can see that in the figure, both origin as well as the shaded region, they lie on the same side of the line. See, this is the line, so it will divide the plane into two halves. This is the lower half plane and this is the upper half plane. So both shaded region as well as the origin, they lie on the same side of the line. So note that origin and shaded region both lie on same side of line. Now let us consider the inequality x plus y less than or equal to 8, that is the lower half plane, and let's see whether origin satisfies this. So for 0 comma 0 we have 0 plus 0 which is 0, which is always less than or equal to 8. That means that origin lies in the lower half plane. That means origin satisfies the inequality x plus y less than or equal to 8. So therefore the shaded region also satisfies this inequality. So this implies that shaded region satisfies x plus y less than or equal to 8. Mark this as 1. Now when I say that the shaded region satisfies this inequality, that means कि आप shaded region में से कोई भी point उठा लीजिए, it will always satisfy x plus y less than or equal to 8, but not conversely. If you consider this, then it need not be the shaded region which is given in the question, क्योंकि x plus y less than or equal to 8 is this whole lower half plane. So we are saying only one side, that the shaded region, the points in the shaded region satisfies the inequality x plus y less than or equal to 8. Now next we take the line, consider the line x plus y equal to 4. Now if I see in the figure, then the shaded region lies on the upper half plane, whereas the origin lies in the lower half plane. So origin and shaded region lie opposite to each other. So what we will do is, we will consider the inequality x plus y greater or equal to 4, and let's see whether origin satisfies this. So for 0 comma 0 we have 0 plus 0 which is 0, but 0 is not greater or equal to 4. In fact, so we will say 0 is not greater or equal to 4. So this implies that origin does not satisfies the inequality x plus y greater or equal to 4. ठीक है, तो origin जो है इसको satisfy नहीं कर रहा, तो अगर origin इसको satisfy नहीं कर रहा तो shaded region इसको satisfy करेगा, because origin and shaded region lie on the opposite sides of that line. So this implies that shaded region satisfies x plus y greater or equal to 4. Mark this as 2. Okay, now we consider the line x equal to 5 and the line y equal to 5. So I can consider both the lines together. Now you see this line x equal to 5. Now you can see that again this vertical line divides the plane into two halves. One is your left plane and the other one is your right plane. Now both origin and the shaded region lie on the same side of the line, and if you notice that origin actually satisfies which inequality, that x is less than or equal to 5. Okay, so therefore the shaded region satisfies x less than or equal to 5, and for the line y equal to 5, if you see this line, then this line again in the plane divides the Cartesian plane into two halves. One is the lower half plane and the other one is the upper half plane. But if you note that both the origin as well as the shaded region, they both lie in the lower half plane. Okay, and origin satisfies which inequality, that y is less than or equal to 5. Y is less than or equal to 5. So therefore the shaded region will also satisfy y less than or equal to 5. Okay, but note one thing, that the shaded region is given in the first quadrant. That means your x is non-negative as well as your y is non-negative. So since the shaded region lies in first quadrant, we have our x should be greater or equal to 0 and your y should be greater or equal to 0. So this is your 3 and this is your 4. So if I write the set of inequalities, we have x plus y less than or equal to 8, then you have x plus y greater or equal to 4, then you have x less than or equal to 5, y less than or equal to 5 and x greater or equal to 0 and y greater or equal to 0. तो आपका जो शेडेड रीजन है वो इस सेट ऑफ इनइक्वालिटीज़ का सोल्यूशन है. ओके, आई होप यू गॉट द सोल्यूशन. Now next we have question number 16. Question number 16 says, show that the following system of linear inequalities has no solution. So question number 16. So the set of inequalities which is given to you is x plus 2y less than or equal to 3, 3x plus 4y greater or equal to 12, x greater or equal to 0 and y greater or equal to 1. Okay. Now first let us consider, you have to take the lines first. पहले आपको lines plot करनी है. So let's take this line. तो इस line को plot करने के लिए I have to make a table of values. So x and y. So when x is 0, you will get your y as 1.5 and when y is 0, you will get your x as 3. So these are very typical values. So we take the values on the x and y axis, because on the x axis y is 0, on the y axis your x coordinate is 0. So let's plot this. So let me just first of all draw the Cartesian plane. So this is your x axis and this is your y axis. Now if I draw the first line, I get the point. First we have 0, 1.5. So 0, 1.5 is somewhere here. Next I have the point 3, 0. 3, 0 is here. So I will draw this line which will be, okay. Now आपको रीजन देखना है. अगर ये रीजन देखना है आपको तो हम क्या करेंगे, लेट्स पुट 0 and 0 in this inequality. So for 0, 0 we have 0 plus 0 which is 0 and 0 is always less than or equal to 3. So that means that origin satisfies this inequality. Origin satisfies this inequality. So therefore we have the shaded region as, okay, so this inequality represents the lower half plane. This is the lower half plane. So first I am just putting an arrow so that it is clear that this inequality is this side towards origin. Now let's take the other line. So the second line is 3x plus 4y equal to 12. Now first to draw this line I need some points. So when x is 0, y will be 3 and when y is 0, x will be 4. So you have the point 0, 3 and 4, 0. So 0, 3 and 4, 0. So 4, 0 is here. So let's join the lines. Okay. Now if I see this inequality, और अगर मैं इसमें 0 0 पुट करती हूँ, so what you will have 0 plus 0 is 0, but 0 is not greater or equal to 0. That means 0 does not satisfy this inequality. So therefore this inequality is in the opposite direction of origin. So opposite direction of origin means that this is this side, okay, on this side. Got it? So for 0 comma 0 we have 3 into 0 plus 4 into 0, which is 0, and 0 is not greater or equal to 12. Now next we have x greater or equal to 0. So x greater or equal to 0 means that you have this region. Let me show you this. This is your x greater or equal to 0. So I can mark this as, okay, and y greater or equal to 1. Y greater or equal to 1, first of all see the line y equal to 1. The line y equal to 1 is, this is y equal to 1, and y greater or equal to 1 means above, because origin does not satisfy y greater or equal to 1. So therefore this is y greater or equal to 1. Now you have to take the intersection of all, because I want that region which satisfies all the inequalities simultaneously. So we have, ये आपका इस side है first line, second line is this side, then you have, अगर मैं इन दोनों का common देखूं तो ये आ रहा है ऊपर वाला region, okay, और y, so there is nothing common. देखो ये यहाँ जाके कहीं इंटरसेक्ट करेगी, ये दो लाइन है, ठीक है। अब ये जब इंटरसेक्ट करेंगी तो जो कॉमन पोर्शन आएगा वो ये आएगा, दिस विल बी द कॉमन पोर्शन ऑफ दीज टू लाइन्स। बट सिंस यू हैव y ग्रेटर इक्वल टू 1, तो इन दोनों में there is nothing common, there is nothing common. So therefore this question or has no solution. Are you getting it? Or you have to take x also greater or equal to 0. But since you have this y greater or equal to 1, तो जब ये intersect भी करेंगी तो ये आपके पास common portion आएगा. But since you have y to be greater or equal to 1, so there is an empty intersection. So therefore it has no solution. So it has no solution. तो आपको ग्राफ बना के दिखाना है, एंड ग्राफ के अंदर आपको सारे रीजन्स दिखाने हैं हर इनइक्वालिटी के, और लास्ट में आप देख सकते हैं दैट देयर इज़ नो कॉमन रीजन. सो देयरफॉर दिस सिस्टम ऑफ इनइक्वेशंस हैव नो सॉल्यूशन. नाउ next let us see question number 17. Question number 17 says solve the following system of linear inequalities. So again a similar type of question. Question number 17. So the first is 3x plus 2y greater or equal to 24. Next you have 3x plus y less than or equal to 15, and next you have x greater or equal to 4. So let us first take the lines one by one. So 3x plus 2y equal to 24. और आप जल्दी से पॉइंट्स ले लीजिए, आप माइंड में भी कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. When x is 0, your y will be 12, and when y is 0, your x will be 8. And for the second line, so I am writing the second line also simultaneously, 3x plus y equal to 15. So this line will pass through the points when x is 0, y is 15, and when y is 0, x is 5. And the third line is x greater or equal to 4. So let me plot the region first. Okay, so first we have the line this which passes through the point 0, 12 and 8, 0. So 0, 12 is this point and 8, 0 is this point. So let us join these 2 points. So you will get this line, and this is the first line, that is the line 3x plus 2y equal to 24. Now for the next line we have the points 0, 15 and 5, 0. So 0, 15 will lie somewhere 13, 14, 15. So this is the point 0, 15 and 5, 0. So 5, 0 is here. So the line becomes so I am drawing the rough lines. You can plot it neatly when you solve the question. So 3x plus y equal to 15. Now let me see the region. In the first line we have the inequality 3x plus 2y greater or equal to 24. 3x plus 2y greater or equal to 24. अब अगर मैं देखूं कि origin इसको satisfy कर रहा है कि नहीं, so you will get 0, but 0 is not greater or equal to 24. So for the first line, the shaded region lies above it. Okay, so this is the shaded region. Okay, so this is the shaded region. And for the second line, you have 3x plus y less than or equal to 15. Does origin satisfies? Yes, 0 is less than or equal to 14. So therefore the shaded region is this side towards the origin. This is your origin. Now the last inequality is x greater or equal to 4. So first let us see the line x equal to 4. So x equal to 4 is this line. So when we say x equal to 4, that means x is constant here, but y will vary. Now you have x greater or equal to 4. So what do you think? X greater or equal to 4. It is towards the origin or opposite the origin? So it is opposite the origin. That means this. So this is the line x equal to 4. Now see, are you getting any common region? पहला आपके पास ये आया, दूसरा आपके पास ये आया, तो इन दोनों में जो कॉमन आया वो हमारे पास ये आया. दिस वॉज द कॉमन. बट सिंस यू हैव x ग्रेटर इक्वल टू 4, सो इन दोनों का अगर मैं इंटरसेक्शन देखूं, इसका और इसका, सो नथिंग इज कॉमन, नथिंग इज कॉमन. दैट मीन्स अगेन दिस सिस्टम हैज़ नो सोल्यूशन. आप एक काम और कर सकते हैं, आप ये पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन निकाल सकते हैं और आप देखेंगे जो पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन है इसका जो x कोऑर्डिनेट है दैट इज़ लेस देन 4. तो आपको पता चल जाएगा कि ये जो आपके पास यहाँ जो कॉमन रीजन आ रहा है दिस लाइज इन द रीजन ऑफ x लेस देन 4. सो देयरफॉर देयर इज नथिंग कॉमन. दिस इज द कॉमन पोर्शन ऑफ द टू लाइन्स एंड यू हैव x ग्रेटर इक्वल टू 4. So nothing is common, they are not intersecting. All the three inequalities simultaneously have no region in common. So again this has no solution. This has no solution. Is it fine? और अगर मैं आपको पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन निकाल के दिखाऊं तो वो हम कैसे निकालते हैं? यू कंसिडर द फर्स्ट टू लाइन्स, दिस एंड 3x प्लस वाई इक्वल टू 15. पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन मतलब ये दोनों कहाँ इंटरसेक्ट कर रही है, तो हमें इन दोनों को साइमल्टेनियसली सॉल्व करना है. तो सॉल्व कैसे करेंगे? लेट्स सब्ट्रैक्ट देम. यू विल गेट y इक्वल टू 9 and if y is equal to 9, just put y equal to 9 in any one of them. Suppose I put in equation 1. So what I will get? 3x is equal to 24 minus 18, which is equal to 6. So x is equal to 2. So therefore the point of intersection is 2 comma 9. So 2 comma 9. So this is the point 2 comma 9, and you can see that this point, the x coordinate is 2. That means it lies in this region, that is x is less than 4. Okay, so this is what I was trying to say. Now we have question number 18. Question number 18 says, show that the solution set of the following system of linear inequalities is an unbounded region. Is an unbounded region. So question number 18. So we have 2x plus y greater or equal to 8, then we have x plus 2y greater or equal to 10, and next we have x greater or equal to 0 and y greater or equal to 0. Now from the last two we get that the region lies in the first quadrant. So let's plot quickly. So first let us consider these two lines, 2x plus y equal to 8 and the line x plus 2y equal to 10. Let's find any 2 points lying on the line. So x y, when x is 0 you will get y as 8, when y is 0 you will get x as 4, and for this line when x is 0 you will get y as 5, and when y is 0 you will get x as 10. Now let me plot. So quickly I'll just mark the points. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is your x axis, this is your origin, and this is your y axis. So origin basically is 0, 0. Now for the first line we have 2 points 0, 8 and 4, 0. So 0, 8 and 4, 0. Let's join them. So this is the first line, which is 2x plus y equal to 8. Now let's see the region. So we have 2x plus y greater or equal to 8. और अगर मैं origin करवाऊंगी satisfy तो क्या आ जाएगा 0, but 0 is not greater or equal to 8. That means this inequality is basically on the opposite side of the origin. So the region is this, away from the origin. Now let's see the second line. The second line passes through the point 0, 5 and 10, 0. So 0, 5 is this, and 10, 0, sorry, first we have 0, 5. So 0, 5 is this, and 10, 0 is this. So join the points. This. So this is your line. 1 second. So this is the line x plus 2y equal to 10. और अगर मैं इसका रीजन देखूं x plus 2y ग्रेटर और इक्वल टू 10 है ना आपके पास, अगर मैं ओरिजिन इसके अंदर डालूंगी तो क्या आएगा 0 प्लस 0 विच इज़ 0, बट 0 इज़ नॉट ग्रेटर और इक्वल टू 10, so that means 0 does not lie, it lies on the opposite side of the origin. Okay, so you have this region, and also we have x positive and y positive, so that means you have to consider only the first quadrant. अगर फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट के अंदर आप कॉमन रीजन देख रहे हो, पहली लाइन का ये आया था, दूसरी लाइन से ये सारा आया था, तो आप देख सकते हैं कि इनका इंटरसेक्शन क्या आ रहा है, जहाँ पे भी ये दोनों इंटरसेक्ट कर रही हैं इन द फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट. सो दिस इज दिस वन इन द फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट, so you have to take in the first quadrant. So this is the common region. ठीक है, starting from here, then this, and then going like this. I hope it is understood. So you have to take it like this, and you can see that this is an unbounded region. This is an unbounded region because your x has no bound, it can go in this direction, as well as y has no bound, it can go up and up. So therefore this is an unbounded region, and this is your solution set. If you take any point in this region, it will satisfy all the inequalities simultaneously. So therefore I'll say that the solution set is an unbounded region. So you can practice yourself, do it once again, all the questions, and do it neatly. Just draw the Cartesian plane with the help of pencil, plot all the points, plot x axis, y axis, then take each line, mark the points, and then see your given inequality and shade the region for each of the inequality, and then see the common region. If you are not getting any common region, then it has no solution, and if you have some common region, see whether it is bounded or unbounded. Okay, so thank you very much. We will do the remaining questions in the next video. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.